Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Profitec 500 and we replaced the main board here. The machine was stopping heating after it had been on for a little bit because the board was overheating. We also fixed a couple leaks. There was a leak from the vacuum release valve, and then there was also a leak from the water level sensor. And so we fixed those leaks. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. See, we get a beautiful shot of espresso. Right at 9 bars there. Really good crema. One of our mechanics is celebrating in the background, and because he loves America. And steam's working well, hot water's working well. So thank you for pairing with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.